teman-teman semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Teh Watie. Maaf muka saya bantal, muka bantal, dan Kang Brett juga. Oke, jadi hari ini aku ada collab bersama teman-teman vlogger lainnya tentang sarapan khas asal negara Suami ya. Seperti suamiku Kang Brett kan orang Australia, jadi apa sarapan khasnya gitu. Teman-temanku ada yang suaminya orang Nigeria, orang Amerika, Itali, Perancis, Persia atau orang Iran. Oke, jadi nanti aku akan tulis di description box channel teman-temanku ya. Jadi kalian bisa menonton channel mereka juga. Jadi kalian tahu sarapan khas suami mereka. Oke, jangan hiraukan itu. Si endut. Oke teman-teman, ikutin terus ya keseruan kita. Stay tune.
There we go. This is like I would have for Australian breakfast. Nice egg, bacon, tomato, avocado, and Vegemite.
Currently, I eat only celery, green lemon. Maybe it's too big for my wife, so I will cut it to 2 pieces, put it in the toaster. Hey, that's about it. Here you have a nice meal. Go to the table.
Okay everyone, today I wanna show you how we make our breakfast in my country. Yeah.
Ciao amici, parliamo della colazione tradizionale italiana. A tavola nostra non può mai mancare il cornetto, un bel cappuccino e la nostra amata Nutella. Ecco la colazione tradizionale italiana.
Hello, Taman, my friends. Here we have a good breakfast from the United States. Simple omelet and potatoes, spiced potatoes.
Hari ini bikin namanya melemen, di sarapan bisa makan.
Hello pemirsa, today I'm gonna make a Nigerian breakfast guys. It's gonna be so delicious. If you wanna know how to make it, stay tuned. It's gonna be very delicious.
Nah, jadi inilah sarapan khas orang Australia. Mau mirip orang Inggris ya, teman-teman. Simple. Nah, jadi udah dimasakin ya sama suamiku. Ini sarapannya. Aku nggak suka tomat. Aku juga nggak makan bacon ya, teman-teman. Jadi nanti dia yang makan. Aku telur aku suka, tapi ada kejunya. Aku nggak begitu suka. Ini favorit aku. Bukan makananku karena ada kejunya. Aku kalau makan keju tuh suka pusing kepalaku. Ini telur aku suka, tapi karena ada kejunya jadi maafkan, saya tidak suka. Ini suamiku aja yang makannya ya. Oke, dasar lidah katrok. Oke teman-teman, jadi aku mau kasih suamiku aja yang makannya. Dia yang masak, dia yang makan juga.
Okay, so this is my Brett's Bonza Aussie breakfast. If I have a big night out on Friday night, I always want to have breakfast like this. It's so delicious. You take a bit of the bacon, a bit of the tomato, little bit of the egg, if I get the egg. Ooh. And then push it through on the toast. Oh my gosh. So delicious. The egg, nice and caramelized on top, but in the inside, come and have a look. Still light and fluffy, but good caramelized on the outside. Gives bonza taste. And the tomato, you don't cook for too long. It still has to be strong. So delicious. You want to try some tomato?
No, thanks.
Do you want to try the avocado and toast?
No, because I have Vegemite.
Yeah, so that's why you have to try it.
Aku nggak mau karena nggak suka ada tomat dan ada Vegemite itu juga bacon aku nggak makan. Nah jadi itulah video aku hari ini buat sarapan khas orang Australia yang buat sendiri Kang Brett ya teman-teman, semoga kalian suka dan terhibur.
Okay everyone, how are you? I'm going to make breakfast today. Is this for your challenge, Watie?
Yeah.
Okay, this is for one of Watie's challenges. It's an Australian breakfast. There's no such thing as a traditional Australian breakfast, but on Saturday, one thing we always have, it's like the English breakfast. Always have bacon, always have eggs, or always gonna have nice things like tomato and avocado. And the one thing we always have when we're having breakfast, Vegemite. So I'm going to make something special with the Vegemite and traditional bacon and eggs. Okay, so let's get started. Over here, we have the eggs, tomato, avocado, bacon, cheese, butter, and some bread. Okay, so first things first, we've got to cut the bacon. I take my good knife. Are you going to have bacon with you, baby?
No.
No, you don't eat bacon, so it's okay. I'll just have one piece of bacon. Oh, that one's small. 2 pieces of bacon. First thing we want to do is take the rind. We take the rind off, so you can just pinch it with your finger and then pull it off. You can cut it off if you want, but you know, this is Australia. We do things the easy way. So we have the rind. Next one, we pinch it with our finger and it just comes off. Okay, nice easy cut. So the bacon takes the longest, so we can cook that first. Okay, first things first is the bacon. We put it in there and we're gonna let that sizzle nicely. We put it in a tiny bit of oil because we want it to crisp up very nicely. Okay, we're going to prepare the eggs. So how do you want the eggs? Okay, let's do scrambled, yeah? 1, 2, 3 eggs. We're gonna have an omelette. Okay, we put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And you're gonna mix it very, very well. A little bit more milk, yeah? So it should be the same color all the way through. We need some cheese, only a tiny bit. Just get the plastic away and there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Want some tomato? Tomato's always good for breakfast. Three big chunks of tomato. Perfect. Prepare the avocado as well. You check the top, make sure it's a little bit soft around here. If it's soft there, it means it's right. Slice it in half, be very careful. Put the nice cut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you get the spoon. Easy to come out. Okay, ready for the egg? Okay, now it's cooking very well. We want to get it nice and crisp. Okay, this is how I like it, very crispy. Okay, everybody in Australia loves Vegemite, so we put the Vegemite. You only put a tiny bit of Vegemite. Mix it with the butter very well. There you go. Then we're going to take the avocado and put that on with the Vegemite. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The omelette, this one's very big. 1, 2, and the bacon. There we go. This is like I would have for Australian breakfast. Nice egg, bacon, tomato, avocado, and Vegemite. This is my favorite part, the avocado and Vegemite. So good.
Jadi ini tipikal Australian breakfast, boleh dicoba.
Oh ya teman-teman semuanya, terima kasih bagi yang selalu mengikuti video-video saya, yang selalu support saya ucapkan banyak-banyak terima kasih. Tanpa kalian apalah YouTube channel saya. Dan bagi yang baru bergabung, kenalkan nama saya Wati, saya orang Sunda, tinggal di Australia, dan suami saya di belakang Kang Brett yang saat ini lagi heboh itulah kalau teman-teman nonton video saya sebelumnya pasti kalian tahu. Oke teman-teman semuanya, ikutin terus ya keseruan kami. Stay tune. Terima kasih sudah menonton video saya hari ini. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Salam sampurasun.